Hi there grade 5 pupils! Welcome back again to another video lesson. So we are now on quarter 2 week 2. So yung first discussion po natin for this week 2 is about comparing and arranging decimal numbers. I hope napanood nyo na yon bago nyo pa panoorin yung video lesson natin ito. So again, for this week, our discussion has something to do with addition and subtraction of decimals. So for our lesson objectives, at the end of this video lesson, pupils, you are expected to add and subtract decimal numbers through thousands without and with regrouping. So kung paano yung process natin sa pag-add ng mga whole numbers without and with regrouping, ganun din po yung process natin dito. Kaya lang, ang pinagkaiba, decimals na po ang pinag-uusapan. Meron po tayong decimal point na kailangang i-consider. So kung paano yung process na yan, i-discuss ko po yan lahat sa ating video lesson. So to start our discussion, let's have the steps in adding and subtracting decimal numbers. So ito yung mga paraan na kailangan nating tandaan kapag nag-add and subtract ng mga decimals. So step 1, write the numbers in a column. Decimals must be aligned. Use a placeholder when needed. So write the numbers in a column. So kailangan pagpantay-pantayin po natin yung mga numbers. So bukod po doon, kailangan po yung mga decimal point ay aligned. Ibig sabihin, magkakatapat po. And then use a placeholder when needed. So yung placeholder na yan, yun po yung mga zero or zeros na ina-add natin kung kinakailangan. So kung hindi naman po natin kailangan ng placeholders, huwag po nating ilalagay. And then, step 2, add or subtract just like adding and subtracting whole numbers. Use regrouping if needed. So take note, hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-add or subtract kung hindi naka-align yung mga decimals. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pantay-pantay po yung mga decimal point kapag mag-add or subtract. And then, kung paano tayo mag-add ng mga whole numbers, ganun lang din po yung process. And then, kung kailangan natin mag-regroup po. Kung hindi naman, hindi. And then, step 3, place the decimal point in the sum or difference. So sum, pag addition, ayun po yung result when we add numbers. Then when we subtract numbers, yung result naman po is difference. Align it with the decimal points of the addends, minuends, and subtrahend. So addends po, ito po yung mga numbers na pinag-a-add. And then minuend and subtrahend, so yung minuend, ito po yung nasa taas. And then yung nasa ibabang number, yun po yung subtrahend. So, addition of decimal numbers. So, since na-discuss naman natin kung ano yung steps, kung paano mag-add and subtract, syempre, mas maganda na i-apply na natin. So, let's have the first given. 7 tenths plus 2 and 54 hundredths. So, sabi nga dun sa first step, kailangan isulat natin yung mga numbers in column. Pagpantay-pantayin natin yung mga decimals. So, sulat natin 0.7 plus 2.54. So, paano natin yun isusulat? So, yung decimal point, kailangan naka-align po yan. Pantay po dapat sila. And then, yung whole number, sulat natin 2.54. Ayan. So, lagyan natin ng placeholder yung after ng 7 or kahit hindi naman, pwede rin. So, halimbawa, lagyan natin ng 0 to. 0 plus 4, that is 4. Or just simply bring down 4. And then 7 plus 5, that is 12. Tsaka tayo magre-regroup ngayon. So, isusulat natin yung 2 and then carry 1. So, 0 plus 2, that is 2. Plus 1, yung nire-regroup natin, that is 3. And then, yung ating decimal point, kailangan i-align din po natin sa ating final answer, sa ating sum. So, our answer is 3 and 24 hundredths. Next, 1 and 62 hundredths plus 4 and 97 hundredths. So, ayan. Naka-align na po sila. Pwede na po tayong mag-add. So, 2 plus 7, 9. So, hindi tayo nagre-group dyan. 6 plus 9, that is 15. So, i-write po natin 5. And then, regroup natin yung 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Plus, yung regroup natin na 1, we have 6. And then, sulat po natin yung decimal point. So, our final answer is 6 and 59 hundredths. So, I hope nagiging familiar na tayo sa process ng pag-add and subtract ng whole numbers. So, again, kung paano tayo mag-add and subtract ng mga whole numbers, ganun lang din po dito. It's just that, kino-consider natin syempre yung alignment ng decimals. Hindi kasi tayo basta-basta pwedeng mag-add hanggat hindi pantay yung mga decimals. Next, ayan. 6 and 429 thousandths plus 18 and 3 hundredths. Sulat natin. 6 and 429 thousandths plus 18. So, sulat natin muna yung decimal point and then yung whole number. To 8 and then 1. Tapos, yung 0, 3. Ayan. Aligned na po sila. Ngayon, maglagay tayo ng placeholder dito, 0. So, 9 plus 0, 9. Or just bring down 9. Pero kasi kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng ganyan, lalo na kapag kailangan natin lagyan ng placeholder yung nasa min-wend. So, mamaya ipapakita po natin yan. 2 plus 3, we have 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 8, that is 14. So, we write 4 and then carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And then, yung decimal point. So, our answer is 24 and 459 thousandths. Next, 25 and 903 thousandths plus 37 and 482 thousandths. So, halimbawa, ganito natin inalign yung ating mga decimals. So, pakita ko lang ha, para makita nyo na mali. Ayan. So, ito. Kung papansinin nyo po itong given natin na ito, ayan, hindi po naka-align yung decimals. Titignan lang po natin yung decimal point, makikita natin na hindi po sila pantay. So, kapag ganyan po natin sila sinulat, hindi po natin yan pwedeng i-add or hindi rin po natin yan pwedeng i-subtract. So, ayan ha. Buburahin natin ngayon para isulat natin yung solusyon ng ating given. So, 25 and 903 thousandths plus 37 and 482 thousandths. So, let's add. 3 plus 2, 5. 0 plus 8, 8. 9 plus 4, 13. So, we will write 3 and then carry 1. 5 plus 7, 12. Plus 1, 13. So, sulat mo natin 3 and then carry 1. 2 plus 3, we have 5. Plus 1, 6. And then, yung ating decimal point. So, our answer is 63 and 385 thousandths. And then, let's have another given. So, dito naman, tatlo na po ang ating ina-add. So, ganun pa rin po naman yung process. Kailangan po nating isulat yung mga numbers in column. Kailangan nating i-align yung mga decimals. So, 42.82 or 42 and 82 hundredths plus 10.6. So 10 and 6 tenths. And then plus 20 and 478 thousandths. Ayan. So dito, wala po sila, yung dalawa nating naunang addends, wala po silang thousands digit. So we will bring down 8. Kasi kahit lagyan natin ng 0 yan, 8 pa rin po ang lilitaw. Next, 2 plus 7, we have 9. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4, 18. So isulat natin 8 and then carry 1. 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. Then plus 1, we have 3. 4 plus 1 plus 2, we have 7. And then, yung ating decimal point. So, our final answer is 73 and 898 thousandths. So, again, kailangan po nating i-align yung mga decimals bago po tayo mag-add. Don't forget. Next. Ito naman, 142 and 66 hundredths plus 30. So, ayan, dito natin i-align yan. So, yung 3, hindi po natin itatapat dun sa 1. So, yung kinoconsider po natin dyan yung decimal point. And then, 51 and 83 thousandths. So, ayan. 4 plus 3, halimbawa, naglagay tayo ng placeholder na 0 doon. 7 pa rin naman po yung sagot. So, 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 8, we have 20. So, we will write 0 and then carry 2. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 2, that is 3, 13. So, we'll write 3 and then carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 0, 3. Plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, we have 7. Plus 5, 12. So, we will write 2 and then regroup 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then yung ating decimal point, ayan. So, our final answer is 224 and 307 thousandths. Let's now move on to subtraction of decimal numbers. So, ayan. Let's have the first given. So, again, applied pa rin po dito yung rules natin. Write the numbers in column, align the decimals. 4 and 9 tenths minus 1 and 7 tenths. So, dito tayo sa pinaka-right side. So, 9 minus 7, we have 2. 4 minus 1, we have 3. And then, copy the decimal point. So, our answer is 3 and 2 tenths. Again, sa addition, kung gusto natin i-check yung mga answers natin, yung final answer natin, yung sum, mag-minus tayo ng isang add-in. And then dito naman, para i-check kung yung sagot natin ay tama, yun pong ating subtrahen, itong 1.7, tsaka yung sum difference natin na 3.2 or 3 and 2 tenths, i-add po natin. Ang dapat na makuha po natin is yung ating minuend. So, to check, pakita na natin. 1 and 7 tenths plus 3 and 2 tenths. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. And then, copy the decimal point. So, 4.9 or 4 and 9 tenths. Next, 9 and 63 hundredths minus 5 and 5 tenths. 9 and 63 hundredths minus 5 and 5 tenths. So, ayan. Naka-align na po yung mga decimals. So, mag-add tayo dyan ng placeholder na 0. 3 minus 0, that is 3. 6 minus 5, we have 1. 9 minus 5, we have 4. And then, the decimal point. So, our answer is 4 and 13 hundredths. Now, let's have problem number 3 or given number 3. 17 and 38 hundredths minus 8 and 21 thousandths. So, ayan, 17 and 38 hundredths minus 8 and 21 thousandths. So, kung sa addition, kung wala tayong number dito, dun sa katapat ng 1, ito, mag-a-add po tayo ng placeholder na 0. Required po yun. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na bring down 1 po. Magkaiba po ang addition and subtraction. 0 minus 1 cannot be. So, ibig sabihin, manghihiram tayo dito sa 8. So, yung 8, magiging 7. And then yung 0, magiging 10. 10 minus 1, we have now 9. 7 minus 2, we have 5. 3 minus 0, we have 3. 7 minus 8, so cannot be. So we will borrow 1 from 1. So 1 will become 0, and then 7 will become 17. 17 minus 8 now is 9. And then the decimal point. So our final answer is 9 and 359 thousandths. Next, 68 and 716 thousandths minus 35 and 449 thousandths. 6 minus 9 cannot be. So, manghihirang tayo dito sa 1. So, ito magiging 0. Ito magiging 16. 16 minus 9, we have 7. Next, 0 minus 4 cannot be ulit. So, manghihiram tayo dito, magiging 6. Ito naman, magiging 10. 10 minus 4 now is 6. 6 minus 4, we have 2. 8 minus 5, we have 3. 6 minus 3, we also have 3. And then our decimal point. So, kung hindi kayo convinced kung tama ba ang naging sagot nyo, pwede nyo naman pong i-add yung subtrahend and then yung difference. So, let's try. Add natin dito. Kailangan makuha nating sagot is yung value ng minuend. 35 and 449 thousandths plus 33 and 267 thousandths. 4 plus 9, we have 16. So, we'll write 6 and then carry 1. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. So, we'll write 1, carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 3 plus 3, 6. So, as you can see, our answer is 68 and 716 thousandths, which is the value of our minuend. So, ibig sabihin, ang 33 and 267 thousandths is correct. Another. So, let's have number 5 and number 6. 154 and 358 thousandths minus 82 and 63 thousandths. So, ayan, naka-align na po sila. So, 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 6 cannot be. So, we'll borrow 1 from 3. So, 3 will become 2. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. 2 minus 0, that is 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 5 minus 8 cannot be. So, we'll borrow 1 from 1. So, this will become 0. And then this will become 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. And then copy the decimal point. So, our final answer is 72 and 295 thousandths. Again, to check if your answer is correct, just simply add the difference, yung nakuha nating sagot, and then the subtrahend. Subtrahend, ito po yung nasa ibaba. Yung nasa taas, minuend, na kailangan nating makuha kapag pinag-add natin yung subtrahen, and then yung difference, yung ating sagot. Then last one, 207 and 692 thousandths minus 138 and 205 thousandths. 2 minus 5, of course, cannot be because 2 is less than 5. So, magbaborrow tayo dito sa 9, magiging 8 ito, and then yung 2, magiging 12. So, 12 minus 5, that is 7. 8 minus 0, that is 8. 6 minus 2, we have 4. 7 minus 8 now, that is cannot be. So, magbaborrow tayo dito. 0. So, dahil 0 din yun, wala tayong mahihiram. So, dito tayo manghihiram. So, 2, magiging 1. And then, ito, magiging 10. And then, since nanghihiram nga tayo, itong 10 ngayon, magiging 9 na lang. And then, itong 7, magiging 17. 17 minus 8, we have 9. 9 minus 3, we have 6. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, copy the decimal point. So, our final answer is 69 and 487 thousandths. So, add lang natin 138 and 205 thousandths. Tsaka yung 69 and 487 thousandths. Ang makukuha po nating sagot is yung value ng minuend, which is 207 and 692 thousandths. So, kapag chinek natin yung sagot natin by adding the value of the subtrahend and our result, yung difference, hindi nagtugma, ibig sabihin there is something wrong. So, for the next video lesson, we will now solve routine and non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals. So, word problems naman po ang ating pag-uusapan sa next na video lesson. Yan po yung ating lesson for week 3. So, may mga real-life word problems tayong i-discuss and then isa-solve natin sila. And then, ganun pa rin naman, applied pa rin yung steps in adding and subtracting decimal numbers. So, again, kapag hindi naka-aligned yung mga decimals natin, hindi po natin pwedeng i-add, hindi po natin pwedeng i-subtract yung mga numbers. So, as long as pina-follow naman natin yung rules, yung steps, wala naman magiging problema. And then, kapag mali pa rin ang sagot, pinalo naman step, ibig sabihin, mali ang pag-add natin o kaya naman ang pag-subtract natin ng mga numbers. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.